Yeah, from Jamaica.
No, you're from Ghana, Jamaica.
Oh yeah, yes, you're right. Correction.
Yes.
Correction.
Come on, pick up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. One gun kilo, we can't believe say there, brother. Pick up yourself, watch your program.
Every time.
Real youth.
First of all, tell them where we are going right now.
Yeah.
Fish fry.
Yeah, we are going on fish fry.
And swim around fry.
Yeah, swim around and say, but you don't know, we don't go one way.
Yeah, we know what that
You
is.
did.
We can be a watcher, but we never be a watcher.
Yeah.
That was from day one, man.
Pick up yourself, Pino.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Hey, come on there, first you said, bro.
Outside in the park of Malton. Welcome to Malton.
Now, if you look and say, yo,
Where is that?
you know, just
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Good morning. Well. Welcome to Brampton. Grass is nice, you know. Hello, my neighbor. Let's go say hi to my neighbor. Hi, let's go say hi. You know, I'm the friendly neighbor. Just like you have Casper, the friendly ghost, I am the friendly neighbor. So let's go across to my neighbor because I see him doing something in his workshop. So let's go see what go on. Well. Here's my good neighbor, man of many talents.
How you doing,
Man
everybody?
Everybody, man
good.
of many talents.
Oh, good.
Wow, what's going on over here? I see a lot of boards, a lot of
Yeah,
stuff.
we're working on some cabinets right now, and then
Yeah.
we do a lot of bathrooms, renovations.
Oh, say the carpentry?
Yeah, we do carpentry, we remodel the bathrooms,
Yeah.
and
Wait, I don't cut you.
Inside.
I don't call you the music. Can you turn it down, please?
Oh yeah.
Just for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you say you do
We
renovation.
do renovations, we do interiors, exteriors, we are certified, we are insured, so
Yeah.
you know that people are not scared of hiring you.
Okay.
Because we as a company are insured, so when we go and if anything does by mistake go wrong with what we are doing, our insurance company takes care of it.
Okay, what's the name of your company?
Black Iron Renovation.
Black Iron Renovation.
Renovation.
Okay.
So you can find us on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. So you can see us doing demolition right from start
Okay.
to the finished products.
Okay.
Yeah,
So this is the card, right?
Yeah.
It's called Black Iron Renovation.
Yes.
Wow. So how long this business been going on?
It's been now for 5-6 years now.
5-6 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything well.
So once they go on the Instagram, they can literally see all the
They
work.
can see everything right from scratch. So
From scratch.
If you're doing basements, we demo the entire thing and then rebuild. So you can see us doing that right from
scratch.
scratch to
Come up.
to finish.
Okay. So what's the ratings like on your jobs?
We've got good ratings as of now, and nobody has complained because in some cases, the last job we did a full bathroom renovation, okay, and we did the waterproofing. Now, when we do the waterproofing, when the companies who provide us the waterproofing, they give us lifetime guarantees.
Lifetime guarantees,
Yeah,
okay.
so we pass it on to the clients.
Okay, so the clients will get lifetime guarantee whenever.
So even if they sell their house and they go out, they have it being passed on to the next client.
Okay, so that means they can call it to renovate anything at all. Anything. So the whole house they can renovate.
Yes.
So any damage, any pipe, anything. So you do plumbing as well too?
Plumbing, electricals, woodwork, carpentry. We do cabinets. Yes. Yeah. So
okay. So
it's a lot of things that we are
you're covered.
Yeah.
And that's good. It's good. It's good,
Yeah.
guys. So guys, I'm saying you can reach out to them because right now, what you making right here?
We are
right
making
now?
this is the doors for the cabinets, which are going to be set up over here. So this is the second door. So this is the cabinet over here, and then
Okay.
on top of that, we are going to have a quartz top.
So what type of cabinet is this?
This is a double door cabinet with one single shelf, as the client has asked.
Is that for the kitchen?
No, it's for a separate purpose. So we are just making it as per the requirement of the client.
Okay.
And this will, at the end of it, will be primered and painted
Okay.
white.
So
Yeah.
So this
So,
is,
so when you see this one over here, sorry, be careful. When you see this is what we will be putting on the top.
oh, it's like a countertop.
Yes, it's like a countertop. So this
Okay.
is what will go on top of that.
Of the
But
cabinet.
it will be cut. Yeah, it will be cut to size.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is nice. This looks like marble. Is this marble?
No, it's not marble. It's called a quartz top.
Quartz stuff.
Yeah, it's man-made. So
Okay.
we use these so it doesn't stain, doesn't damage. Yeah.
So with this now you buy them and put
We get them, yes, we slab them out and we cut them. So we do kitchens.
Okay. Kitchen.
Tomorrow we are going out to get a kitchen
Done?
started.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing the entire kitchen cabinetries, we're doing the coffee counters. Yes, so, and then on the coffee counter we are adding a butcher block.
Okay. And that is
Yes.
all from scratch.
That's from scratch. Yeah.
Wow, great, great, great.
So those are going to be finished tomorrow. We'll be taking them, leaving them at the client's place, and then on Monday
Yeah.
we go and start the rest of the kitchen.
Okay, well that's so. Listen, that job song, that's really sound good. You know, as a man of talent. You know, you can tell from all the work look that they are man of class. You know, so you hiring,
Yeah.
you hiring.
Yeah, we hire people.
Okay.
Yeah, as and when, depending on how big the job is, we hire people, and then
Okay.
and people who don't have jobs. Right, the market is such that it's difficult for people to find jobs. So when we have jobs and we need people, we hire them because for them every day bread and butter is
Yeah,
is required,
that's for
right?
sure.
So
That's for
the
sure.
thing.
So I want to give them a contact number where
Yes,
they can reach you.
they can reach me on 647-521-5726.
And the name to
And
ask
the
for?
name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Yes.
And you go all over Canada?
We go most of the time. We have gone down to Pickering, to downtown Toronto.
Yeah.
We just last year we finished a 100-year-old home basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, in downtown Toronto. So you
Okay.
can find us on Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, that's Black Iron Renovation underscore renovation.
Okay, so it's
Or
Black
you-
Iron underscore
Renovation.
renovation.
Or you can go onto our website, so you can check what all we do on our website also. And if you think that you need something from us, we have a page on the website where you can
Go and see what's going
go
on.
and say.
So they can see
you know,
all
we
the
need
works
what
that you
we
did,
do. Yeah,
right?
they can see all the works.
Yeah, so
that
the
we
proof is there. The proof is in the
there,
pudding.
and the people who have also given their good reviews about us.
Yeah.
Till today, we haven't had no complaints about
Alright, then
even one customer.
that sounds great.
Yeah.
That sounds
So-
great. Thanks, my man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and
thank
continue the same way.
for-
You know, so guys, I
Yes.
open to reach out if any case you
Yes.
need anything to get fixed, anything to renovate. This is the man for you. You know,
Thank you.
and that
Thank
is
you,
true.
brother.
Big up yourself, my brother.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So,
Thank
guys, I'm
you.
gonna say, reach out. You know, check out his website. Check out the work that he does, so you can see the proof is in the pudding. So if you have any problem, you can call him. You know, get your work done. You know, 'cause I know we like to promote each other. That's just me. You know, we here to highlight whatever the talent is, because we can't hide the talent. You know, highlight it. You know, so I'm here going to enjoy the sun, the beautiful weather. I'm going to leave the general for going and continue his work in his workshop. Big up
Thank
my
you.
brother.
Thank you very much.
All right. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Yes, guys. Anyway, thing goes left out. You know, left out on the road. So you don't know the thing goes nothing but love and love alone. You see me, blessings to all. So yes, guys. So today, I am heading in a place called Malton. You know the thing of Malton, not Auckland. You know the thing of Anna Parkland. to Malton. Yeah, so we're heading to Malton, you know, so we did 1 hour subscriber, you know, 1 hour viewer of the program, you know, it's a long time I watch a thing. I don't know, so the man say water, the man say fire, blaze it up, you know, one fire, speedy. You know, so the man named Speedy Gonzalez. So that means when he younger, he never slower, he be faster. So them call him Speedy. You see me I say? So the man himself, man, fireman. Hey, fireman, make up yourself, you know. Yes, man from Malton. Yes. See the man from Malton. So you know the man always watch a program, you know. You know, people always watch a program, but they don't go see me now in person. So now they hand the program. So now them can go watch themselves now on the program. Yeah. You know me? On the program. Yeah, Speedy. So what Malton's like right now? Cause first of all, tell them where we are going right now. Yeah. Fish fry.
Yeah, we are going on fish fry.
And swim around fry.
Yeah, swim around and say, but you don't know, we don't go one way.
Yeah, we know that.
You see it.
Swim around fry.
Yeah, swim around fry. You see it. My virgin Kempes. Big up yourself.
Oh, so Kempes I keep it?
Yeah, Kempes I keep it. So
okay.
Every other Friday. You see it. So this Friday, not next Friday, the other Friday, it live again.
Okay, so every other Friday thing?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's something them can look forward for in Malton. Yeah. All of the winter too? Right through?
No, the winter time we find an indoor spot to do it.
Okay. But them always do it.
Yeah.
So that means if a man a cook swim around, you know, fish every day, that means they must good pan it then.
Yeah, man.
A big chef over there?
Yeah, man.
Big chef?
Whole heap of chef over there.
Yeah. So the man who cook the food a bad chef or good?
I good, you know what? We are going to see how I cook the food and find out. So far the food edible. Yeah, well prepared. No bugo yaga thing.
And it's not the first to go in there, though?
No, not the first.
Okay. Are you a spot?
Yeah, I'm a spot. It's a community spot.
Okay, Malton. I first, you know, imagine the first me hear that name from there here, Malton.
Yeah. It's in Mississauga. But
it's there near it?
Yeah, in Mississauga.
In Mississauga, okay.
It's a town, it's a city called Malton.
In Mississauga.
Yeah,
okay, guys.
Community.
Yeah, so that's where we're heading, in Mississauga. You know, that's where Malton is. I want to talk about Carlton and the Parkland, so we're going to go around here and see where I go on, you know, and see what Malton is like, you know, everything goes. So I don't know if we're going to try to sim around, you know, because we don't come around, you know. And it's a fish fry. So fish fry is every Friday thing in Malton. What the address for fireman?
It's
I remember.
I think 34.
Okay, so 3430 Derry Road, east.
Yeah.
You know, east, not west.
Yeah.
So that's where we are going. So sometimes the east is the best or the west is the next. Which one? You see me? Please, no bad enough things. Yeah. And no bad enough things. But yeah. So we are so going. The sun's still out, you know. I can't believe, guys, but check the weather forecast for the week and it don't look pretty. I see a lot of rain. You know, and the nights them start get back a bit cooler than before. So that means it seems like even in the day as well it seems cooler. So I wonder if the summer finish already in Canada. You know, fireman, I wonder if I finish already the summer.
Yeah.
Because the place start to feel more cooler from early out.
Yeah, next week.
So next week get what?
Next week the temperature kind of
cool again.
Yeah. After the Caribana.
Yeah.
You know, even though it's summer same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, the day go hot, night go cool.
Yeah. I don't know, so I saw it always is the most key still, but the cooler we are talking about is cooler than some country. I know so the night them over here is cooler than America. But it's not so bad we have to need jacket. You know, like a thick jacket. I need a little pull over like this and you're good. You know, this is alright. Even though I was on the road for a little while, I mean I tell you in the night, I can feel it. I have to put my hand in my pocket. So you know, from I put my hand in my pocket, you know what time it is. I imagine right now I wear short pants. So I know so look when the place get cooler, it's not gonna normal. You know, so guys, so see that now we're on the journey. We're on the journey, you know. We're not late, but we're early. No, on the road.
We can be a watcher, but we never really watch it.
Yeah.
That was it from day one, man.
Pick up yourself, Kino.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Hey, come on there first, you said, bro.
Welcome to Malton.
Look and say, yo,
Yeah.
Jano, bro.
Yeah.
You do too much thing. Me see you do a whole lot of thing for poor people at Jamaica.
Yeah,
in a jungle.
Yeah, true.
You don't know, trench town.
Yeah,
Pegasus.
Big up jungle, dog a trench zone.
I seen that school me going.
Yeah, big up Grace. One Mama River, you don't know Jamaica. All good enough. Yeah, Marsha said that.
Yeah.
See, big up Kino, one Kino, you don't know and it's all good. You say, oh God bless no man curse the guy. You say, God send him to help poor people. One Kino. Welcome to Malton. You don't know this is Wildwood Park. Big up in Canada. Wildwood.
Me never know, bro, because you see my woman. She love you like cook food. Mongo, when we did a mango, we sit there. What are you there from that jungle, that Jonestown, Albo? Rima, Tivoli, Albo, we just said we're probably cat. When the downtown and the whole on our bro.
You well be doing even
Bro.
You're a star.
Me see all of the festival. Now what's the festival?
Now what's
the festival dance?
One Kino. Yeah. Big up yourself in the Canada. You don't know one more time.
Yo, bro. I see you give one for people's strength. Where you was a man, bro. You really recognize. You see it because you saw me walk past and see the energy. I see him thing me do here too. Ask them people there. I see him energy, but me not expose myself. Maybe nothing more than just help people and poor people and love. Unity is strength. You know what I do it, Fambo? And me see you bring whole of people to the forefront of life. Because life is love, you know. And if you don't love yourself, you can't love nobody. That's why you love yourself, youth. You're real big man. I'm 62 right now. I'll be 63. And I want family to say, oh, Uncle Chucky, oh, you look like this. Because I love when I love people. When I love nobody else but God.
Real way, man.
Love you, youth. Love you, bro. Bro, me love you, youth.
Man, I love, man, alone, man. Yes, man, I love.
Because when the hurricane and everything I go on to Jamaica, me see you go up on the forefront.
Yes, sir.
And do your own thing.
Yes, sir.
And nobody now say, Kino bad, Kino good.
Kino good. Good.
Kino hold your thing. Alright then. Oh, me don't know him. Oh, me don't know.
Yeah.
And that's a good work for you.
Call me one right now.
True.
And it's all good.
Greatness we are going, man.
Right now,
not a fall inside, but a rising side of the making. You don't know you're great. You're going to be great. You're not going to yourself. One more shot.
Alright. One more shot.
Boy, you say something to my woman, bro, because you love her like wow, bro. Bro.
Because they had mother.
music.
All the time.
Yeah, guys, we're there in Malton, you know the things, but you know music there, so hopefully not to affect, you know, anything. So you know, if anything cut out and chip out because of the music, but we're there.
Yeah.
It's like Brixton vibes, you know.
Hey, baby, me and Keno there right here. Can you say hi to Keno? Say hi to Keno, bro. Just say hi to Keno. You know we did that.
Yeah, go eat you know. Watch your series, you know. I'm watching, yo, come here, tell you, you see what you do, brother?
Yeah.
A good thing. Because guess what? People that from watching things and love what you do, brother.
Yeah.
So you do,
God bless it.
a different YouTube video, I love what you do, the cranberry and them.
You see what
Brother, I'm watching every day, brother, cause you don't know your tone man too now. You see, make us see what go on at the place too, you know.
See him here. Cool man, big up man.
We're sunrise thing, is we're a jungle said we are, bro.
Okay, so now up the road man, cool man.
Man,
big up yourself man.
yeah, man. One gun Keno, we can't believe say you're there, brother. Big up yourself, watch your program.
Every time.
Real youth.
Yeah.
Big up the whole of Jamaica.
See him here.
Yeah, man. Big up the
Yeah.
place, Keno. So the place.
This remind me one time of that Brixton, you know, a little vibe.
No time people cook and real are different.
Yeah,
Place like
I try and forward from early because never event for go. You see me and get the place a day like it.
Everything out the place nice, brother.
Yeah.
All the spot in a Toronto do the sound music, play and food cook and
Yeah.
our spot, brother.
Yeah, I get to know. Well. Bless your love. Good morning. So guys, sorry we never get some really footage of run by Malton, you know, by the park where it was last night because it was there, but through the music was playing, so I couldn't do much as I could hear from the music in the background and the noise and everything, you know, but there was a good vibes, you know, and I guess it's a multicultural thing always happening around there as well too. So I guess I'm gonna head back down there now, you know, to see what it's like in the daytime as well too, you know, because they've been telling me about Malton, you know, so I'm definitely going back to go get that experience because I got an event to go and pass through also. So I have to use one stone, kill the two birds right now, you know, so I'm gonna pass through that one quickly, you know, and see what it's like, and then I will head off to my event later on, you know. So I'm gonna go there and then come back home and then to head on to the event. So I'm gonna head there with Auntie, you know, and see what's it like because I'm say Guyanese, African, you know, but all different things. So if you know, you can tell me about it, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, head down there to see what's happening, you know, because them say Malton is one of the, you know, like them say a lot of things went down because them say it's a place like most like for immigrant, or if someone just came into Canada, really want to start life, you know, like that's a beginner place for you to start from, you know. But I never really get that vibe because, you know, the energy around there was good, you know, but it reminds me of some places in the UK, you know, like we always have a spot where we hang out, you know, we call it, say, yo, this is our ends, you know, especially near park, or if we love playing football, that's a place where we always come and jam. If we keep it anything, we keep it there because you get some leniency from whenever the police comes around, then most of then it's just us holding our vibe, you know. So it gives me that type of energy for that place, you know. But the music and everything, I couldn't really walk around or do anything much, you know, but I definitely want to go back now and see what's the different culture is like, what's going on around there, you know. So we're gonna eat there, you know, guys, so stay tuned. Remember, please, if you're watching and you haven't been liking the video, please remember to put the thumbs up, you know. It's a beautiful day here. The sun is not entirely out, you know, but we're getting some overcast because it should be getting some rain today. Maybe not here in Brampton, but bless. Maybe not here in Brampton, but elsewhere, you know. But we will wait and see, you know. But for the week, the weather kind of look tricky, a tricky situation because I see a lot of rain into this week. You know, probably into not to Friday, but I'm getting to find out like the whole of the warm weather that was here, like it's literally gone now. You know, getting that nice cool time right now. So like Canada summer ends early. And why? You know, why? But you know, I still have fun. See me, I'm still going to utilize. See, we got the little cool, warm here, not cold here, warm here. That's left back. You know, and warm at the best side. So, blessed love, peace. Remember, let's go on. Let's head down there. Peace. Alright. So we are just reached here in Malton. In Malton! You know, I can hear the music from here. I can hear a lot of Guyanese music from here, Indian music. You know, just park up here, Auntie getting out the vehicle right there. Yeah. Okay. You know, Auntie used to live down these sides as well to Malton years ago, so she knew the place. It wasn't hard for her to find it because she used to live here. So we're just here in the car park and we're gonna roll out. Alright guys, so this is Malton that we're in. I imagine Auntie used to live in Malton as well. A lot of years ago, guys. So look, my Auntie a hot girl, you know. You can know from nowadays, you know. Auntie used to hot up the place, you know. So Auntie, they used to live here years ago. A lot of changes now, though.
Well, they have improved on the park.
The park. A lot of changes. But it's good though, because them build this park for the youth them. Because we passed yesterday, I see the youth them play basketball. A lot of them. So we're like, okay. They never have this before. It's more like an open field. Malton. So guys, have you ever been down here before? Or you met me come right here in Malton before you? You know, you probably not come because of you hear the name Malton. You know, it's never Carlton. No, Malton. So I guess this is new. They built for the youth them to play. I guess when we come back we can just throw it there. So this is the youth them playing basketball. So I guess you have a basketball one there. So straight ahead of us where you see the tents then. That's where everything is taking place. So it's a multicultural thing. I could have seen a lot of flags. So that means all of them nations probably they're here today. A lot of flags. So we're gonna see what happens. Get a bit closer. Alright, so here we are. Come Auntie, come. So here we are entering the park. You know, different nations. African, this is Africans. I hear the accent straight away. So right here is the African spot.
There is nothing too hard, nothing too
African spot. These are all Africans. You see the food as well, please. Trinidad. Yeah. This is like Trinidad right here. Says all different nations are here. Trinidad and no, this is like Guyana. Is it Guyana? This is Guyana, aren't it? Huh? Yeah. Still not. Okay, so I get more crowd. Okay, so with the fire yesterday. So yes, selling for the community, yeah. I think the Jamaica fire right up here. So. Auntie. It's early here, so you know them. It's quite early. You know, when Jamaican them not out as yet. You know, Jamaican I really like to make an entrance. Okay, Trinidadian, Guyanese and all them people is here as well too. So this will usually be the Jamaican spot, right up here. Right here, that'll be the Jamaican spot. This will be the Jamaican spot. That'll be the Jamaican spot. Yeah? Hello, mommy.
Hello.
Beautiful shirt. Cool. Yeah. My early settings. You don't want to cheer? I'm going for you. Yeah, right here. Our African brothers and sisters. Hello. We're in Africa. Yeah. Ghana. Okay.
A town called Asinfos.
Asinfos?
You see the t-shirt?
Yeah. I'm from Jamaica. Yeah. First time coming right here.
Our culture, our food we have in our country.
Okay.
It's served here, and it's like whatever you want, you can help yourself. This is called puff puff.
Puff puff. It's called puff puff.
Yeah.
What?
Let's go down, show
All right, let's show. Is it like Jamaican fried dumpling? Is it fried?
dumpling, something like that.
Oh, puff puff. It looks like fried dumplings.
It's, they use flour and a little spicy and some onion to do it. Yeah.
Oh, puff puff.
Yeah.
I never tried it before. So is it nice?
Oh yeah, it's nice. You want us to serve you something? You want to eat something?
Because I would try the puff puff, see if it's like one of our fried dumplings.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try the puff puff. I already ate when I was coming, so I can't have too much. You know, puff puff. I'm trying the puff puff. That's what you're making?
Yes. See, so I'm gonna put some here.
Cassava dumplings.
No, it's not.
Hello. I'm gonna try the puff. I'm from Jamaica. I travel. Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, obviously we're saying one culture. You know, are you from, everyone here from Ghana?
Yeah. Ghana. We are from this place. It's in the back of the t-shirt. I told you.
Okay. All right. You ordered them. I'm trying. I'm gonna try the puff puff.
Recording everything here?
Yeah.
The first one can connect to get that video?
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
We went to the same high school in Ghana.
Yeah.
And now we are here in Toronto.
Whoa.
We've been in 37 years in Canada here.
Wow.
We are still struggling.
Yeah, we are still struggling, you know, because we have to come here to survive.
Yeah. We are heading towards our pension. So.
Yeah. We only come here to survive.
Yeah.
Right? Try to get a better life. So my first time, gonna try the puff puff. Now only for me,
nice.
I'm gonna try puff puff guys.
Puff puff.
Hot.
Very nice. Alright, what's your name?
There's Kino. And YouTube is Kino Live in Jamaica. So tell me again, you got flour.
Mommy, I'm so with the idea of flour, yeast,
Sugar. Flour. And you can put a little bit of vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay. Wow. Guys, it really tastes good. It really tastes good.
Alright.
Thank you.
Take this up. Yeah, I see.
Too much on here.
Yeah. No, keep it, take it home. You never know. Let me wrap it up.
Puff puff. Thank you. Thank you. K-I-N-O.
Alright, so main foods that we have, obviously jollof, everybody knows about that. Ghana jollof is better than Nigerian jollof.
Yeah.
I'll say that from now. Ghana jollof is way better, I promise you. Best jollof in Africa, I promise you that.
Yeah.
Then we have wache, which is the rice and beans, almost like rice and peas basically.
In Jamaica, right?
Yeah, same thing as Jamaica, rice and peas, but we put like tomato stew with some spices and peppers, some meat inside, goat meat.
Yeah,
all types of meat inside. So those are our main dishes.
Yeah.
So right now they're frying plantain. Yeah, I know you guys say plantain.
Yeah, and you guys say what?
Plantain.
Plantain. We say plant.
Yeah, so
we say plantain
right now.
Okay, they're gonna make something with it. They're just gonna eat it like that.
No, just eat it like that. Sometimes we eat it with sometimes we make a bean stew.
Yeah.
So we make a bean stew and we eat it with that usually. This is okra.
Oh, that's okra.
So okra stew. That's what we eat with what's it called? Banku. It's a finger food. Banku or kinke. It's a finger food. I think they have kinke here.
But I hope the music don't really affect too much. You know.
Respect.
Alright, man. Best. Yeah, guys. So there's a lot of music here. you know, in the park. So you probably won't hear a lot, you know, probably too much. I don't know if which one of the music will affect the video. So hopefully it doesn't. You know, but I don't know, it's a culture day. You know, I'm trying to pop. It tastes okay. No, it tastes okay. It looks like Jamaican fried dumpling, but it tastes different from the way they do it. You know, it tastes different. You know, we have over here, this culture is Guyana. Guyanese here. Hey, what are they? So boy, there's a lot of music playing as well too, and here is where you can literally see when the planes are coming in as well to go and land. They can see one over my head right now. This is where literally the planes them comes in. Where is it? Yeah, the airport is right literally over there. You know, so the plane them comes in from there and land. Sit here about 10 plane pass already. 10. So it's a good day at the park, you know, to be chilling, you know, with family, you know, holding a little vibe, you know, listen to music. There's a lot of food here, you know. And I cannot say I never tried the puff. It tastes good as well too. Yeah, the puff really do taste good. So, that's what I'm telling you, say the foods them always look the same, because look how that look exactly like Jamaican fried dumpling, but have more stuff inside of it, you know, and it's swell and soft, really look like a puff. So we're not going to stay here much too longer, you know, because I have to head out to go to this event as well too, so I won't be here for too long as well. So just to come and let you see what's happening in the day, and then we can just move on from there.
There's my friend, say hi to her. I'm gonna put you back on.
Where is she?
Hold on, I don't know how to do it, nigga.
Where you wanna put it on? Where is it?
That's my friend, say hi to her. Hello. Every day I pick up the phone.
You in video? Hey, come, do it again. They don't see you. Bum. Hey, Rita.
A Chinese, you know. A Chinese.
She Chinese? You're Chinese?
Are you Chinese or Japanese?
I am Chinese, mixed with a little bit of German, mixed with Arawak.
Okay, Chinese, like a German, with little Arawak. So you mix up and blend. You stir it up.
You know see? We mix up and blend.
I got me realize.
Real nice, eh?
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for watching, man.
Yes, you're welcome very much.
Oh. Big up yourself.
You know, I'm watching, but you know, I'm going to do it for the video, like, we don't do it.
Alright, big up, man. Big up. Alright, peace. Yeah. Big up your friend.
Love her, Anna, yeah?
Yeah, man, love her. Alright, cool. Our subscribers showing the love to you. You know we always continue to show the love to you. Best of love to each and every one of you guys that watch the program. Pay gratitude in that. Each and every one of our extended family, we thank you so much as well. It is nothing but love and love alone. You know, cannot hide that, I cannot deny that. So, you know, the people them start to roll out a bit, you know. So I've been listening to some music, watching the plane fly by, watching this man. Imagine, listen to this. You're a trainer and I come to you to train me to play baseball. The the trainer out there have one female trainer and the man has sent her all the way to the home run section over there. Imagine you send the female go all the way to the home run and him claim to say I'm going to lick the bar from home run to come all the way up. I'll know him can't reach halfway. I have to really wonder how can that trainer this? Him send me come all the way a home run and him can't lick the ball halfway. No sir, that's not right. Where should I go? Where should I go? Hear the beater, soul sweeter, sweeter. So guys, as you can see, the park getting parked. The park getting parked. You know, a lot of people coming out now. These are the Guyanese. There's more Guyanese over here than the other nations. Trinidad is here enough as well. Guys, I see some. Imagine here, just a pass and see jerk. I realize I say jerk, I think it's a Jamaican and jerk. But it's not no Jamaican jerking. So here are the Africans, them having some funds now. Ghanaians, them having some fun. Chicken. Hello, my brother. Yeah, from Jamaica.
No, you're from Ghana, Jamaica.
Oh yeah, yes, you're right. Correction. Listen, this is where everything is coming from. Ghana to Jamaica.
Yes. That's a good content.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we're here. Our four parents, the bloodline. What's your name, my brother? Eddie. Akeynote. You know what I saw the jerk in my mind? Wait, Jamaicans? When I reach closer, no. So we have the jerk here.
Yes.
We're similar, just like Jamaican style. We're just like Jamaican style.
Yeah, it's good.
And that's the beer, right?
Yeah, then the beer.
And we also use beer as well too.
Yeah.
Oh, strength. So this is not fair. The young youths them versus the elders. So looking at the elders them a win. The elders them. But the elders were winning. Yo, the elders them made a win, man. Guys, look, this is pure African right here. Everyone is from Africa. I think they are Jamaicans. You know? If they don't speak, you wouldn't even know. From Ghana, that's what them say Jamaican is from. Our both parents is from Ghana. So this is the jerk.
Yes, you are black.
I feel like I'm in Africa. I feel like I'm in Africa. So this is what's it like in Africa, same way. Same type of vibes like we Jamaican, that do Jamaica, all the vibe, you know? And them jerk chicken look good. My brother, I feel like I'm in Africa. Yeah. It's no difference than around Jamaica the same way. And the chicken look well jerked too, you know. Chicken look well jerked. No. Yeah, just look, the chicken look well jerked. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Over here, them have something else on the grill, like chicken tikka. Chicken and this. From Jamaica. Yes, that's where Jamaicans is from Ghana. So I'm here with my bloodline. Yeah, this is my bloodline right here. You know, my brother. No, I don't eat it. I'm a vegetarian. Oh, yeah, I'm just passing by because I feel the energy. I feel like I'm home. You know, this how it feels same way in Ghana and all that vibe. Yes. Just the same way we do it in Jamaica. Yeah. So when I was walking and I saw the jerk, I thought it was Jamaicans.
Oh, okay.
You know,
okay.
But it's only the language change everything. You know, and then I feel the same energy. You know, them really say Jamaica is from Ghana, right? My brother. But I haven't been there, but I need to come Africa.
Come over and take a look at it.
Yeah, I need to. I really definitely need to. I need to take my shoes off when I reach in Ghana. As I come on the airport, my shoes is off. You know? And I'm walking through like
along the lawn.
Yes. I think that's what most of us Jamaican is missing in the true origin. You know? We need to go back sometime.
You see where the roots are from, you know?
Yes, where the roots, like literally that's where we're from, because you knows that, right? That's where we're from. So we just born and grew up in Jamaica, but our true bloodline is coming from Ghana. You know? And that's why we really need to visit. We need to.
At least once in a lifetime.
At least. So how far is it? The flight? Is it a long flight?
So many ways to go. Go to
Can you see I live in Jamaica?
Oh, you live in Jamaica?
Yeah.
So you have to go Jamaica Airlines to London?
Yeah.
And then British Airways to Ghana.
England to Ghana is that? How many hours?
6.5 hours.
6.5. So from Jamaica about 9 hours and then 6.5 from there. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it. I need to visit, man.
Yeah.
So what? So the rice, is that rice and peas?
The rice and peas. That's rice and peas. That's the rice and peas.
It looks extra red.
Yeah.
Than our rice and peas is.
They cook it with a special leaves.
Oh.
The leaves makes it red, more red.
Oh, the leaves make it more red.
Like a herb. Yeah.
What's the name of that? I need to. I see if I could find that in Jamaica.
It's a special leaf. When you boil it, it gets red.
Wow.
What's the name of it? That's what they use in boiling the beans.
Okay, so that's why it looks so extra red, guys.
That's right.
And it's rice and peas. And you use coconut milk also, right?
No, there's no coconut milk in there.
You don't put no coconut milk. So imagine we use the coconut milk and we boil the peas for the peas to get red.
So that gives you the flavor.
Yes, it gives it flavor. So if you add a bit of coconut milk to that, it gives it the flavor. And if I add some of your red leaf to what we have, that gives us more flavor. So we need to exchange that. I need some of your red leaf. You know? But if you know the name, just let me know if I could say if we get that in Jamaica.
Okay,
I could try that leaf.
Yeah. The question is there's some in Jamaica.
Yeah. I need to know. If you can, I'm going to leave it to make you eat, you know. So we have, what's that there? Fish.
This is the fish. This is the egg.
Yeah.
This is the meat.
Yeah.
You're a vegetarian. You don't
Yeah. No. I only can look with my eyes.
But not to taste.
Yeah.
Good. Very, very good. Very healthy.
Yeah. So my name is Kino, my brother.
My name is Eric.
Eric. Yes. You can find me on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica? Okay, Kino Life in Jamaica?
Yeah.
I'll go there and check it.
Yes, but I move around, you know. So it's Kino, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
And you see my channel. I do a lot of charity work. I help out a lot of less fortunate in Jamaica. That's what I do. So this is just my vacation for when I get back on the road.
Okay.
You know?
The vlogging.
Yes. So that is what I use it to do to help.
Okay.
All right, Eric. Enjoy, my brother. Yeah, bye. My African brothers and sisters, right here. Imagine that. So our bloodline was originated from Ghanaians, and here they are. Look, they're all. When you look on Jamaica, you can see them in them. You know? Everyone. Nice. I feel like I'm in Africa. I feel like I'm in Africa, my sister. Hello, my sister. They say Jamaican is from Ghana. That's where the original. So you're my sister.
Yes.
And this is my uncle.
Yes.
Hello, uncle. This is Kino.
Kofi.
Uncle Kofi.
Yes.
And you're what's my sister name? Akosia. And my name is Kino, your brother. Come on, man. Come on, sister. Feel the current. Hey, I'm at home. We are at home, man. Nice. All right, my brother, my sister. All right. I am at home. That's the roots. Hello. My brother and my sister. I'm from Jamaica. So them say our true origin is from Ghana. So you are my uncle, auntie. Hello, auntie. Yes, my uncle. That's how it feels. You see, the connection is there. It's there. I feel like I'm in Africa. I feel like I'm in Africa. Let's share the frequency. Share. I can feel it. I feel the frequency. Hey, listen, I have to come there. I live in Jamaica, but I travel around and I do charity work in Jamaica, like vlogging and do charity work to help out. By my true culture, you know, like Africa as well, but we need to go. You know, but I want to. Hey, my brother. See, you know, that's a love. All right, yeah, I need to. My brothers and sisters.
That's right.
Yeah. Roots. Love. That's our roots. Hey. Oh, man, I like that's my roots. That's where we need to go back. Hey, listen. Hey, Mummy, what you saying? We need to go Ghana, Mummy, pack your suitcase. Felicia, come on, Diamante. Let's pack in the suitcase. Come, we're going to Ghana. We're going. I need to go Ghana. I can hear it in my voice. It's like it's up already. Hello, my brother. I'm speaking like I'm from Ghana already. Hey, my sister. Hey, gosh, look at you. I need to go now. I need to go now. Oh, Lord. So, you know, we're at the festival. Yeah, I feel the energy of the Ghanaians, you know. You can feel it through. I feel it, you know, by knowing your roots and knowing your truths, you know. I just felt that connection, you know. Felt it by like shaking them hand and them things. You feel it. I mean, I'm very aware of energy, so I can feel that, you know. I could feel that. I'm telling you. The Africa mood right now. When I engage with my brother and my sister, I'm in the African mood. I'm in the mood. So you know, we're leaving now and everything. Heading back, you know, to Brampton and then trying to relax a little bit for one time. We're gonna go to the event and everything. But you know, the vibes, you know, the energy from the Africans. Hey, listen, you know what? Let me lock my mouth, yeah. Let me lock my mouth. Well, you know, the music is up by where the Jamaican spot is. You know, I can't really do too much video because the music is loud as well. It says at least they turn on the music a bit down by from Ghanaians. Yeah, so it's a bit different right there. So we're heading out. So you know, the thing goes Malton.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.